Welcome to Solid Surfaces Fabrication. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential tools every beginner needs for solid surface fabrication. After more than 25 years working hands-on in fabrication shops, I've learned that the right tools make the difference between professional results and constant frustration. First, let's talk about cutting tools. A quality circular saw with a solid surface blade is essential for straight cuts and sizing material. You also need a router with a reliable guide system. Routers are used for edge work, seam preparation, and profiling. Next are sanding and finishing tools. A random orbital sander is one of the most important tools in solid surface fabrication. Start with coarse grits and work your way to finer grits depending on the finish you're trying to achieve. Finishing pads and polishing compounds help bring the surface to its final appearance. Now let's talk about seam tools. Seam clamps are critical for pulling joints tight and keeping material flat while adhesive cures. Mixing tips and proper adhesive cartridges ensure consistent seams and strong bonds. Another category beginners often overlook is measuring and layout tools. Accurate tape measures, straight edges, squares, and templates help prevent costly mistakes before you ever make a cut. Finally, safety tools are not optional. Dust collection, respirators, eye protection, and hearing protection should always be part of your setup. Protecting yourself allows you to work longer and produce better results. In future videos, I'll break down each of these tools in detail and show you exactly how they're used in real fabrication situations. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Solid Surfaces Fabrication for professional step-by-step training from the shop floor.